Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to explore something exciting. So for that you need to come at MRT station as Istora Mandiri. You need to take drop off over here. Take drop at Istora Mandiri, take the gate number B towards Jalan Pintu Gulora Lima, Honte Kota Senayan. And let's go and exit from MRT, and you can see here outside the weather is so good today. You can see the weather so wonderful to go out for a walk. So I'm not here to show you to go out for a walk, but I'm here to show you something exciting. So let's go and see the location. What's that exciting thing is it? Are you excited? I hope you all are excited. So let me take you to that place. So basically this place is inside the GVK. So the nearest gate where you can take entrance to this location is gate number 7 of GVK, or if gate number 7 is closed, you can take gate number 5 of GVK. So you can see I am somewhere like kind of forest, right? So basically it's the when we going to the inside the main stadium, there is a kind of forest. It's a kind, thus they have a pathway just for the walking. So you can see here we can do jogging and all. The entrance itself, there is a toilet also, and also for the prayer they have so you can if someone wants to pray, they can pray over here. And you can see this is the pathway, so just for the jogging, walking over here. You can see that this kind of a kind of place where we can do some kind of picnic, spending time with the family, friends. Bring your all stuff and do some picnic stuff over here. So you can see people are here, and also there is a place you can do take photographs, click the pictures. So you can see this. So basically it's kind of quite greenery place, you can see. And this place is just when you take entrance to the gate number 5, backside of the parking of gate number 5. So when there is a parking of gate number 5, so you see there is a parking, and back of the parking this place is. So you see it's quite greenery. This place, it's kind of park in the stadium. So you see, and today the weather is quite good. Early morning there was a rain, after that it's cloudy, so it's quite wonderful weather for jogging, walking. But normally people come every day from over here to jog, walk, and on the evening people come here to do some like sit and spend some time with their loved one, family, like kind of you can say a mini picnic. So today it's already raining over here, so in the morning, so everyone knows that the sand will be like grass will be already wet, so there are not that much people, but you can see few of them are there. So this place is quite good, quite peaceful place for spending some time. You can see it's quite good. And if you like to do some running, you can go in the stadium, main stadium, and do running, and your family members can sit over here, spend time with kids. So basically this is the secret place in GVK. Mostly people think that just they go to the stadium, main stadium, do running, and they never come this area, this side, to enjoy the nature, enjoy the beautiful kind of park view. So this is the park view. It's quite good. You should come over here, spend some time with your friends, family. See, it's quite good place.